democracy must be built in a society that shares information. Where there is information, there is enlightenment. Where there are speeches, there are solutions. But where there is no sharing of power, no rule of law, no accountability, there is corruption, there is indignation, there is abuse. Honorable Chief Guest, respected judges, and all dear fellows, today the topic that has been given to me is menace of corruption in Pakistan. By the way, what is corruption? Well, it is an illegal behavior on the measurement of authority through means that are illegal, thereafter irreconcilable with principal values. This word is too easy to define, but too hard to get it out from any country. Apparently, we are a domestic country, but whoever comes in power tries to misuse the power for his personal gains and luxuries. No doubt our country is a land of nature. However, the beauty and goodwill of our land has been spoiled by corrupt activities, sprouting like mushrooms everywhere. This parliament should pass strict rules regardless of the fact that whether such people are within the political system of our country or outside it. There should be an equal treatment of all. Most importantly, our students are the future of this motherland. So we should pledge to raise our voice against any corrupt activity that takes place. I sincerely request that from now, each of us will strictly oppose and prevent corrupt activities from happening and will expose such officials too who act as a blockage in the development of our country. It will not be wrong to say that this corruption is the root cause of many problems in Pakistan. It has infiltrated and corroded our society like a termite, eating every sector of our nation. To implement all above recommendations, it is necessary that legislators elected in 2018 elections should be neat persons with credibility, because these will be the pillars of our future government. They will change this corrupt system into a corruption-free system. Anti-corruption starts from you. We ought to end corruption. There is no choice left. Thank you.